What's up, guys? It's about 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm in Charleston, South Carolina, getting a little bit of this Hurricane Florence, but I just wanted to show you guys. This is the west over here where the sun sets, and over here is the east, and it is much brighter than the west where the sun set. And back there is a bunch of rural neighborhoods, no big cities with a lot of lights, and the whole sky is just lit up with this strange orange color. And over on this side where the sun set, it's more of a bluish color, but the sky is still lit up. But it appears to be changing colors. But the strange thing is over to the east, and I'll remind you, it's 10 p.m. at night, Charleston, South Carolina, and this is the eastern sky. Very strange. Western sky.